Hey kids, I'm in the kitchen again, and today I'm going to make some blueberry scones. So I want to show you what I've gotten out for the cook. Okay, so I got some regular, this is organic, unbleached flour, white flour, some salt, some sugar, some baking powder. Then we have some butter and 1 cup of blueberries, 2 eggs, some unsweetened vanilla yogurt, some almond extract, some lemon zest, vanilla extract, lemon zest, almond extract, and a sprinkling of sugar to put on top of them. So this is definitely not sugar-free, but we're going to see how things work out. So stand by, see how this goes. Alrighty, so in the bowl we have our flour, we have our salt, our sugar, and our baking powder. We're going to stir this up a little bit, and then we're going to incorporate our butter. So we're going to work that together until it makes it a nice crumbly mixture, and then add our blueberries. So that's what we're going to do next. Alrighty, so I got the butter in there, and I'm slowly starting to incorporate it in here. Probably would be better to have a different utensil to do this with, but I don't. So just kind of working it slow and getting it all chopped up. And then I'll add the blueberries, but so far it's looking good. And get that flour incorporated in there, and it'll be a buttery good time. Okay, back in a bit. Alrighty, got that all done. And it's kind of crumbly and flaky, and now I'm just stirring in the blueberries. And then it looks like we're going to be starting to work on our wet ingredients. So here we go. We're just stirring that together. Well, that's looking good. I love blueberries. So it's going to be very tasty. Alright, back in a minute, as soon as I get this wet ingredient stuff together. Okay, so in this bowl I have my vanilla yogurt, my vanilla extract. Over here is some almond extract. You can't see it because it's clear. My lemon zest and my 2 eggs. I'm going to beat this up and add it to our dry mix. Stand by. Alrighty, so I got all of the egg and the yogurt mixture all together here. Everything is done. I'm going to pour it into here and gently mix it together. I've gotten out some heavy cream and my pastry brush because we're going to brush those on top when they go in the oven. So I'm going to start mixing this together and see what it looks like here in just a minute. Alright, so it's taken a few minutes, but I've gotten everything mixed together, and this is more like cookie dough. It sticks together a little bit better. See that? So what I've done is I take a 1/4 cup measuring cup, I sprayed it down with some cooking spray so stuff won't stick, and I've got my milk ready to brush them when I get them on the parchment paper, and I'm getting ready to put them on the cookie sheet. Alrighty, so I got them all scooped out here. I've got my heavy cream over here to the side. I'm just going to come over and start brushing the tops of them a little bit like that. And then we'll sprinkle them with a little bit of sugar and stick them in the oven. There we go. Oh, that's looking good. They look good already. They scooped out of that 1/4 cup measuring cup really easily, to be quite honest, with that little bit of cooking spray on it. That helped a lot. So here we go. Just finish this up, sprinkling with a little bit of sugar, and in they go. Yeah, that looks pretty. All right. Sprinkle with sugar next, and in the oven they go. Okay, kids, they're out of the oven, and they look really, really good. Recommended to double check them with a toothpick or something like that to make sure that they're done on the inside of them. I think these are fine. Oh my gosh, they feel so light and fluffy. Enjoy. Be blessed.